Hi, I'm Tim Kirk, and today we're located in the beautiful city of La Jolla, California. I'm excited to share with you my newest listing right here in the beautiful neighborhood of La Jolla Summit, centrally located between Country Club and Muirlands West. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home, nearly 2,600 square feet of livable space, offers open concept and ocean views, and is centrally located to all of the things that make La Jolla so spectacular. Welcome to 1891 Caminito Quintero.